All right, traders around the world, on today's video you are gonna be learning how to make money trading forex. So we're gonna cover a few pairs, but I'm gonna leave one particular pair that one of the traders asked me, Irvin, make sure you do include it, and I will do it for you. But I'm gonna give you some of the pairs that we are gonna be talking about it today. We're gonna be talking about USDJPY. All right, so let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for everyone here is the following. It is USDJPY. Boom! Super excited, guys. Alright, so look, guys, this is what I want everyone to pay attention. If you are here, guys, if you landed on this YouTube channel, make sure, guys, do me a favor, everyone, guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Make sure everybody subscribe. I'm doing this video, guys, so you don't have to pay for extra signal nowhere else. The goal here is to teach you for free so you can make money on forex. So that's why I titled this video here, make money trading forex, with the pairs that I'm doing it. So stop paying money for signal, guys. Learn how to trade, guys. Please learn how to trade. But look at the dashboard, guys. The dashboard will always give you the answer. Look at here. Look at 5 minutes all the way to 1 day. What is the trend saying, guys? Look, even though, look, my goal here is to teach you guys. I don't want you to see the real data yet. Look at the real data. There's no real data yet. But pay attention here. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is already telling you what the trend is doing. So you should be following the trend. The trend is the trend, guys. The trend is always going to be right. I could be wrong on my analysis, but the trend is always going to be right. Now that we know that everyone is selling, so what do you think is doing in real data? Now I'm going to do it with you. Look, this is an extra step that I'm doing here. We're going to go Shift N and we're going to look for real data. Because this is what I like to teach, guys. I like to teach data that does not exist. I want to teach you what Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is gonna do all the way to Friday. So like that, you don't ever get fooled by any of those traders provider, signals providers saying, hey, take this trade here, but they don't know, they're not teaching you why you're taking it. But look, this is what I'm seeing here. Look at here, multiple time frame is telling me, Irvin, I'm in a sell position. What is the TW sniper entry saying? The TW sniper entry is also confirming that we're not sell position. This is a brand new trend, by the way. Look at the stairs. The stairs coming where? It's coming perfectly down. So the trend here is only one, guys. If you disagree with me, then let me know. I'll do one-on-one with you personally so you can learn. The goal here, guys, is to teach you the right way. Look at here. All we know, market is selling. So what is my opinion for the week of November 7th to the 11th? Trading our video, make money trading forex, right? So in here, all I can see, guys, is the market still has potential to come back. There's previous multiple time frame here. So in my opinion, look, multiple time frame 1, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4, touch 5, touch 6. So the market has a huge potential to come back and retest your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci level. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, retesting this previous high here, which is your 61.8. Then unfortunately from there, market will continue on that sell position. So bottom line here, USDJPY, it is selling, guys. It is selling, and we should celebrate that because it's very, very amazing to see this type of trades like that. All right. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Alright, so far, guys, what do you guys think? Any question, guys? Make sure, guys, everybody like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it now so you don't ever miss any video from us. We do give you a free analysis, free trades, to be honest. The only thing that we remind everyone, guys, is the following, guys. It's very important. We are not your financial advisor. We are not giving you any trading signals. This is for educational purpose, but these setups are pretty perfect. All you have to do is go back to your chart, see if it makes sense. At least I break it down for you, but never invest any money. You cannot afford to lose this business. It's very risky. You can win huge. At the same time, you can blow your account, and then you're gonna be like, you're gonna be pissed off. All right, so the next pair that I have, guys, it is gold. Beautiful setup. Look at this one. This is very important. Look at the difference between, let me bring the previous chart, guys, so you guys can take a look at it. Look at USDJPY. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is beautifully in here. Previously, everything is telling you the market here is selling. Now let's look at gold, because now we're gonna analyze gold. Look at the difference here, guys. There's two different scenarios here. Look at here. This is gold. 4 hours and daily is saying something else. It's contradicting. So when it contradicts, you gotta be careful. And this is where a lot of traders blow their account, because they don't know what to do. Even the trend is fighting each other. So if there's an argument on the time frames, then you will most likely go off the trend, because there's no original trend going on the same direction. So here, this 4 hours and daily time frame is contradiction. Bottom line here, the market is selling. So let's look now our multiple time frame. Look at here, multiple time frame is telling us, hey Irving, we're selling. What is a TW sniper enter? Irving, we're selling. Look at here, sell, 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 sell. Look at continuation of that sell. Boom, that's the original trend. Original trend here is selling. Right, let me delete everything so you cannot get confused. Original trend here is selling. But here on the dashboard, the 4 hours is contradicting. It's saying, no, Irving, you are wrong. We're not selling here on the 4 hour, neither the 1 hour, 30 minute, 50 minute, 5 minute. We are not selling. So this is where multiple time frames comes in. So multiple time frame here is at the bottom saying, Irving, they're right. Market here is giving us, what do you guys think this buy here represent, guys? What do you guys think? Let me put it here. That is a pullback. So market is doing a pullback slash buy position at this time. That's what the market is doing. Market is in a buy position at this present time. So all I can tell you guys, market already did respect this previous multiple, this high here. So market still has potential to come back and retest this previous multiple time frame one more time. It's almost there. It's almost there. So how many pips more market will go from here? Let's do it together, because I want you guys to learn, guys. Market still have another 82 pips, 80 pips to go bullish. So what I'm expecting to see here, guys, if you are on this trade, this is what I would do for you. I would not enter in that buy position yet, because the market already left you. It's too late to enter on that buy position. Just wait for that pullback to be over. Market is almost getting ready to the end of the buy position, and from here, from this top here, yes, that will be a perfect time to short the market, coming down all the way to your 61.8 Fibonacci level. Then the market from there is gonna do a small retracement, retesting this previous high here, and then from there, you know what, let me fix this, and then from there, boom, market will continue on that sell position. But that's what I'm seeing, guys. What do you guys think? Because this is the type of trades that I want you guys to be aware of it, because not everything is beautiful on the market, but gold right now is still on the uptrend, on the pullback, so still bullish. Please don't blow your account. Please don't do that, okay? Guys, another reminder, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it now. Support the channel. If there's any video that any pair that I'm not covering today, and you would like me to do a video for you, let me know. All the links, guys, to get in touch with me are in the description. Send me a message and say, Irving, can you do this particular video, but break it down for me. Let me know, hey Irving, look, this is what I'm seeing on, for instance, let's say gold, right? Oh, I'm seeing gold, the market is giving us a pullback, but I'm kind of confused. Can you break it down for me, so to clarify my doubt? So that's when I come in, record a video, and my goal is to teach you what you are having issue to see. All right, guys, so I'm super excited. So thank you for watching our make money trading video. So let's go ahead and review another pair. The next pair that we are gonna cover, guys, it is EURUSD. Pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. Don't look at the real data yet. Look at here. Look, you're learning something new today. Look. Look, I'm not gonna teach you, I'm not gonna show you the real data yet. Look at this beautiful trade here. Look at that, 5 minutes all the way to 1 week. What is the market saying? Is the market saying that we are selling or buying? Guys, type comment in below, guys. It's very important for you to participate and learn. What do you guys seeing on the dashboard? Is the market going up or down? Green means up and red means down. So right now, market here is telling us already the market is going bullish. You already had the answer already. So now it's time for you to look at real data so you can understand if the market is in that buy trend. Let's do it together. What we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna click shift end, right? So we're gonna go all the way to the end. We're gonna look for real data because real data is all it matters to me. That's all it matters. Look at here. Let me break it down for you. Look at here. Multiple time frames are Irving. We're not buy position. TWA sniper entry saying Irving. We're not buy position. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Market is going on that damn position. And that is beautiful, guys, to be honest. It's huge. It's huge. Now, pay attention to this. Market here is going up. You knew already. You already told me market is bullish. Market is going up, 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 up. And on Friday, it left us here on the 23. Look at here. Look at in the past. This previous multiple time frame in here. So market still has potential to still going up. Another 30, 40 more pips. Then from there, market is going to do a small pullback. That pullback is valid. The pullback is going to come to your 38.2 Fibonacci, and then market will continue on that buy position. Bottom line here, what is the trend doing? What is EURUSD doing? EURUSD here, it is bullish. If you did say the market is an uptrend, congratulations. It's very clear. Look at how simple it is, guys. I'm not gonna waste my time and tell you, look at this high here, low here, if the market do this, do that. No, the trend, you need to trend with the real trend. If the market is bullish, I just need to let you know what the market is doing. Go with the trend, trade with the trend. This is the plan. But I'm not gonna be telling you, hey, look at this high here, low resistance, high resistance. No, nobody. The goal here is to teach you reality. I hope, guys, by now I have earned your thumbs up. Make sure you do subscribe. Comment below, send me a message if there's any video that you guys want me to record. But we are watching here our Make Money Trading Forex video, guys. So we are covering so far gold, EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, and there is one more pair that someone said make sure you do include it. And that pair, guys, a lot of YouTubers love to make video out of it because they love to trade. What do you think it is? They love to trade GBPJPY. Woo! Look at this beautiful trade, guys. Oh my God. Oh, I don't want you to see the real data yet. Look at the dashboard. Dashboard is giving you the answer, guys. It is giving you the answer. Look at this, all the way for 1 minute, all the way to 1 month. Gosh, guys, this is what I love multiple time frame. Oh my God, look at that. Every single time frame is saying that we are going on that buy position, and that is huge, guys. That is huge. I'm telling you, it's huge. Now that we know what direction we all are trading here on a Make Money Trading Forex, so we are gonna move into our real data. We're gonna here on our MetaTrader 4. We're gonna move into shift end. Look at this beautiful stair, guys. Look at this. Look at here. When the market is bullish, you will get this beautiful stairs telling you the market is only in one direction. And boom, guys, this is gorgeous, guys. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Now let me break it down for you because that's what you're here for. That's what I told you. Stay to the end, guys. This is gonna blow your mind. So look at here, multiple time frame is saying what? It's saying that we're not buy. TW is saying what? We're not buy position. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. So every single time frame in here is confirming that that buy trend is accurate. Guys, stop. Do me a favor. Do not pay for signal this week, guys. If you belong to a signal provider, you need to discontinue that service, guys. Learn. You can come to me and say, Irvin, can you teach me how to trade? I will do it. I will do my best. I will teach you in 1 hour, to be honest, to look for the most basic information, and then obviously you will need some more information on it, but I will teach you all you need to know. So stop wasting your money. It's very important. So what's my understanding for this week, guys? We already know that we're in a buy position. Here's your multiple time frame once, multiple time frame twice, multiple time frame three. Oh, there's more multiple data in there. So in my opinion, market here still going bullish. That's what we are seeing here. So market still has potential to go all the way to your 38 to your 23 Fibonacci level. Let me make this bigger. Still has potential to go all the way to your 38 to your 23 Fibonacci level. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement. Why this level? Why this level, right? That's the question you should ask yourself. Irvin, why are you thinking this one? There's multiple time frame in here. Look at here, multiple time frame in here. So that level is accurate. So in here, we're gonna get a small retracement coming back down to this previous multiple time frame here. So it's gonna come to here, and then market will go and make another movement. But there's one other thing that you are not seeing, guys. You should be looking in here and say, Irvin, wait. Look at this one. But this you need to know, guys. Look at what we're seeing here. What is this? What is that? Someone let me know what is this circle represent. That is your head, guys. What is your shoulder doing? Look at here, shoulder 1. So market is gonna create this coming week shoulder 2. So GBPJPY is getting ready for a massive drop. It's SEC that is not there yet. So shoulder 1, shoulder 2, and your head is here. Once all this second shoulder is fully created, we're gonna have this boom, and everybody's gonna be making money. But unfortunately, market here on GBPJPY is still bullish. All right, still bullish. That's how simple, guys. This is how simple and easy it is to trade our multiple time frame. That's what I titled this, guys. Make money trading Forex. And I titled as well, Traders Breaking News, because every trader should be looking and watching this video and looking for amazing setup for the month of November, guys. Because I mean, we look, so far we have covered GBPJPY, we have covered gold, we have covered EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY. What else do you want? If there's any pair that I'm not covering, let me know in the comment below. But we are here watching our make money trading Forex video, and we all are doing it together. Hopefully, guys, this video has made sense. Please, guys, do me a favor, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Keep your prayers to Ukraine. God bless you, God bless your family, God bless the world, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. As always, guys, stay safe, and I will see you back on the next aisle. Peace out. Hasta la vista. Love you guys.